Hi, this is my formal analysis on Barbara Kruger's Your Body is a Battleground. The artist for this piece is Barbara Kruger. The name of it is Your Body is a Battleground, and it was made in 1989. It was made on photographic silkscreen, which was then placed on vinyl. Description: Kruger uses white oblique Futura font on a background of red blocks for her phrase, "Your body is a battleground." This is also like her common use of font on her pieces, so it's a repetition pattern. Kruger's more renowned pieces often look like graphic designs due to her background at a magazine published by Condé Nast. An element of design in this piece is Kruger's repeated color scheme of white, black, and red. Although an uncommon element, typography is used in this work to draw attention to the words being used and their importance. Pictured in the piece is a woman's face divided in half, one side a stereotypical 50s beauty and the other side the same, but the color scheme has been flipped. The historical context of this piece is the 1989 Washington pro-choice march for women's rights to abortion. Analysis: Kruger uses black and white colors to create contrast between the two halves of the face. She then uses red to grab the audience's attention. This is established repetition throughout all her works. She used the words and phrases to emphasize and bring across her message about the 1989 Washington pro-choice march. Interpretation: This piece was created by Kruger to be a poster at the March for Women's Rights to Abortion in Washington, D.C. in 1989. This was in response to several laws threatening to overturn the Supreme Court's decision to legally allow abortion in their previous case, Roe v. Wade. The words, "Your body is your battleground," supports that women can fight for the right to their bodies. Her use of a woman that is a stereotypical woman from the 1950s to 1960s illustrates that fight has been going on for an extended period of time. This piece is best judged by contextualism because the poster advocates for social change. Contextualism is dependent on what the piece is doing in the world. Thus, Barbara Kruger's Your Body is a Battleground is an excellent example because it was created to stand up for women's rights. Thank you.